This is Christmas time. Let's twist some balloon with us. Come on, come on. Let's twist.
Hi everyone, let's twist up some holiday mischief with the Balloon Grinch. Please welcome in Elf Action!
We're going to start by pumping up a green 260 balloon and tie a knot. Leave a 12 centimeter tail. We're going to start by making a 6 centimeter bubble. And then we're going to make another 6 centimeter bubble, fold it in half with the other balloon and tie it together. Now we're going to make one more 6 centimeter bubble, but this time we're going to thread it through the other two 6 centimeter bubbles so that all three of them are intertwined. Nice and secure, just like that. Next, we're going to make four 4 centimeter bubbles. Tie the last one and the first one together, so they're in a little square shape like this. Next, we're going to make a 5 centimeter bubble and fold it so it's in the middle of two of them. And then we're going to make another 5 centimeter bubble and tie it back to the 6 centimeter bubbles from the top. Next, we're going to make a 2 centimeter bubble and then a pinch twist. Then we're going to make a loop twist around the entire thing and then tie it back to the pinch twist. So now we have the head and the body. Now you can pop off the rest of the balloon and tie a knot. If you want to keep the Grinch just as the Grinch and with no Santa hat, then this is where you can stop and just draw on the details. Otherwise, if you want to make the Santa hat, we're going to continue by making his hat. So what we're going to do is we're going to pump up our 260 red balloon and then tie a knot. We're also going to pump up our 260 white balloon and tie a knot. We're going to start by using the white balloon and making a pinch twist. Now we're going to move on to the red balloon. We're going to tie the nozzle into the head of the Grinch. So we're going to thread it through the 6 centimeter bubbles and just tie a knot. Now we're going to make a 20 centimeter bubble. And you can cut off the rest of that balloon and tie a knot. Squish the red balloon so it is a bit curved. Now using the white balloon, we're going to tie the pinch twist part to the end of the red balloon. And then we're going to bring the white down to the Grinch's head and we're going to make a large loop twist around the Grinch's head. And we're going to tie it back to the white pinch twist. This completes the rim of the Santa hat. Feel free to squish the red balloon until it's in your desired shape. You can now cut off the rest of that white balloon and tie a knot. And the twisted part is complete. Onto the drawing. We're going to grab a black marker and we're going to draw on some bushy eyebrows. Feel free to just look up a reference picture and just follow along. Or you can just follow whatever Elf Action is doing here. We're gonna draw on some curved eyes and the pupil. Draw the little triangular nose in the middle. And then we draw its cheeky smile. Now we're going to color the eye whites, but with a yellow marker. And we'll just grab that black marker again and draw on the bottom of the eyes. Along with some eye bags and wrinkles. Next, we're going to grab a white marker and highlight the eyes. And then a green marker to draw on a little bit more detailing and coloring in the nose. We're also going to draw on some fur texture on the sides of the face. And some texture onto the body as well. And your Balloon Grinch is complete.
Well, I have a Balloon Grinch. Please comment down below what you want us to pick next time. Thank you. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas.